B, C, D, E, F, G, H, Z, Z, K, L, O, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs, and next I want to stay with me.
Can you count to 10?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Can you count for me?
2, 3, 4.
What comes next?
3,
Yeah?
1, 2,
How old are you?
3.
3?
Yeah.
How old is Zachary?
6.
Very good. What is your name?
40.
Brody what?
That is special milk.
Brody chocolate milk?
Yeah. And that's what I say, but it's like a milk.
You're goofy.
Yeah.
Are you Brody Thomas Gablin?
Yeah.
Here. Can you tell me? What is your name?
That's a milk, buddy.
Brody Thomas Gablin?
No.
No?
That's a Brody Rabbit.
Brody Thomas Gablin.
I just like a milk, buddy.
You're